Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today we return to Camp Nou, the pride of all Barça fans, to track the latest progress in its historic transformation. With uninterrupted work days ahead, construction across the stadium is accelerating at an impressive pace. Let's head inside and see how the third tier, cantilever and key areas are taking shape. We start from the upper viewpoint to get a clear overview of the third tier. From here, it is clear that the third tier is advancing rapidly, especially along the lateral sections. Day by day, the structure is closing in. More seating areas are being completed, and many access walls are already in place. At this stage, nearly a quarter of the entire third tier has already been installed, showing the project is moving at a good pace. Now we move to the zero zone and the third cantilever area, where a critical phase is underway. Here we can see the first base elements of the compression ring. These components will support the future pillars carrying the full load. Reinforcement bars are already installed and connected to the super pillars below. Formwork panels are also in place, indicating concreting work may begin shortly. Once concrete pumps arrive here, it will mark a major structural milestone. In the north goal area, most access walls are already installed. The transition zone between the lateral and the north goal is nearly complete on one side. Some sections use traditional formwork slabs instead of hollow core slabs, making this area interesting to monitor. Overall, progress remains consistent and well coordinated. With multiple tower cranes operating across the site, logistics are becoming more efficient. As cranes are freed from current tasks, third-tier installation will move at a much faster pace. Prefabricated staircases and seating units will help speed up this phase. Now we shift focus to the ceramic louvre zone. Several new horizontal rows of louvres have already been installed, with work continuing below. The black-painted background wall enhances visual depth and will improve nighttime lighting. Material pallets are stacked and ready, showing installation will continue steadily. At the VIP ring, aluminum framework for the future glass facade is progressing. While glass panels are not yet installed, preparation work is clearly advancing. This will become one of the most striking areas of the new Camp Nou. Trucks continue unloading prefabricated seating units near the north goal. Tower cranes lift these elements directly to the third tier. Elevator shafts, scaffolding, and service infrastructure are also advancing. In the Mirador area, more seating units are prepared for installation. The south goal is now close to being fully enclosed at third tier level. Progress is clearly visible both inside and outside the stadium. With uninterrupted workdays ahead, the construction pace is expected to increase further. This brings us to the end of today's Camp Nou construction update. The transformation of this legendary stadium continues step by step. If you enjoyed this update, stay subscribed and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Visca el Barça.